Okay, welcome. We're doing the standing Tai Chi ball, not the ball Qigong, but the standing Yang style 12. So let me start the recording on the other screen. All right, welcome. So I'm going to turn around. We've already done the little warm up. We're going into eagle stance. So here we go. The feet turned out to the side. I'm looking to see where it is okay, very good. So from here, a little bend in the knees, and we're getting firm into the floor. So let's inhale, rise up. May not be very much when you start out. And then exhale, bend the knees. Let's do that again. Inhale, raise it up. And then exhale, lower. We're going to shift over to that left side and then heel ball toe with that right foot. Shift your weight over to the right side. Turn that left foot in. Shift your weight over to the left side. Turn that right foot in. Come back to the center. And let's do center and sink. So inhaling up to hip level. Exhale, float it down. Let's do upward downward. Inhaling up to the shoulders. Exhale, lower. Shifting over to the left side. Right foot goes up, right hand up, hand underneath, forming that Tai Chi ball. Shift forward. From here, first bow and arrow, we're going to take that left foot, heel ball toe, and then shift forward to that left side. Turn the Tai Chi ball, turn the hips also, and then shift back. Lift that left heel parallel to the right. Shift to that left side. Now we're going to do ward off. But first is bow and arrow. Turn the foot, heel ball toe, and split the ball. Ward off. Hand here at the elbow up, hand by the hip, and then lean back, roll back, and then push into the hands, and then shift back. Let's do that again. Push forward. Now this time we're going to lift the heel, turn the foot to the new point of view, and then we're making a circle with our hands. We get it here down by the hips. We shift the weight to that back leg, hands at the shoulder level, toe ball heel, and drag it inward and down. Next is inward, outward, inward, bringing it in and outward. We're shifting over to that right side. Turn that left heel, shift it in, and I'm starting over. Inhaling up. Exhaling, lowering. Shift your weight into that right side and the foot goes out to the side. Left one, heel ball toe. Shift your weight to the left side. Turn that right foot. Turn that left foot. Come back to the center. Let's do center and sink. So inhaling up to hip level. Exhale, lower. Upward, downward, up to the shoulders. Exhale, lower. We're shifting our weight into the right side. Turn that left foot, left hand on top of the Tai Chi ball. Shift forward. Here comes our first bow and arrow. Take that right foot, heel ball toe. Now shift your weight into the right side. Turn the Tai Chi ball. And then shift your weight back. Turn the foot parallel. Weight into the right side. Second bow and arrow. Turn the foot out a little bit. Heel ball toe. Split the ball. Very good. Roll back and push into the palm. Inhaling back. Again, push it away. And here we go. We're going to lift the heel, start turning from the quad, making that circle. Once it gets here about hip level, shift your weight to the back leg. Keep turning, doing that circle with the hands. Take that front leg, toe ball heel, shift your weight back, come back to the center. And then we'll do inward and outward. So inward to form that Tai Chi ball. Spread it out. Very good. We're going to shift our weight over into the left side. Turn that right foot out. Bring it in. And then finishing breath. Inhale, circle, sweep, arms up. Exhale, bring down that energy back down to the Dantian. And then we do that right fist. That's the sun. That flat left palm. That's the moon. And then we bow down to one another to finish our Yang style short form Tai Chi. Yay! So thank you all for joining me the very last day of the year for this short little run through of our Yang style 12. And then let me come over here and stop the recording.